everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making you some chicharrones. This is super easy. I'm going to be using this bag of pork cracklings. This is a fried pork fat with the attached skin. And then I'm going to be using some tomato sauce, just like so. This is an 8-ounce can. I've got about a cup of water here. I'm going to chop up about half of that onions, 2 of these Roma tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, or you could use garlic powder. And I'm going to be using some of these jalapeno slices that I have here. I would prefer to use some serrano peppers for this recipe, but I'm completely out, so I'm going to make do with what I have. So let me get to chopping up these tomatoes, onions, and garlic, and we'll put all this together in a skillet. All right, I've got a nice hot skillet here. I'm using my cast iron skillet, but you can use any skillet. I've gone ahead and I've turned down the heat down to a medium. I had it on high to get it nice and hot. And now I'm just going to add some oil, about a tablespoon or so in there. And that is showing me that it's nice and hot because it's bubbling a little bit. Now I'm going to throw in my onions, and here you can hear them sizzling. And I'm just going to saute these around just a little bit. Stir them and saute them, just to get them translucent. And then I will add the tomatoes into this. All right, my onions have gotten nice and translucent and they're browning, so now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and some pepper, and that will be the only seasonings I will use. Again, if you're not going to use fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder, so you can season that now. You could also add some cumin to season this as well. Just going to stir that around a bit, season that up, and we'll be back to the next step. All right, my tomatoes have been cooking for about a minute in the onions, so now I'm just going to take my little spatula or spurtle or cooking spoon. I'm going to mash these up just a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add the chopped garlic now. This has already been seasoned with the salt and pepper. Get that garlic in there. And we'll just let that cook so that the garlic can release its flavor for about a minute. All right, so now the tomatoes with the garlic and the onions have been cooking for another minute, and it smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicharrones in there. If you're asking how much I'm adding in there, because I only chopped up half an onion and 2 tomatoes in there. I'm only going to put about half of the bag in there. If I wanted to use this whole bag, which is a 6.6 ounce, I might want to put more tomatoes and definitely more onions. This little particular bag of chicharrones came with a little packet of some salsa. So if you wanted to try that out with just some salsa and eat the chicharrones like that out of the bag, that is perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to stir these around. Get that flavor in there. Get those jalapenos in there. These jalapenos are vinegared jalapenos, so they are already, you know, kind of at a cooked state, if you will. That is soft, biteable. This one I'm going to crack in half here. There's some big pieces, just crack them up. You can crack them with your hands before actually putting them into the pan. And as you can see, that looks really pretty now. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce. And in the same can of tomato sauce, now that it's empty, that 1 cup of water, I'm going to pour some of that in there. And spin it around, get all that tomato sauce out of there. All right. So now we're just going to get this all coated with the tomato and water. And then we're going to cover this up and let this cook on low to medium, just so these chicharrones absorb all that flavor and they are soft. So all right, in the meantime, while those chicharrones are absorbing all that delicious flavor and getting softened, I'm going to show you how you can enjoy these chicharrones straight out of the bag. You can sprinkle them with your favorite hot sauce. I've got some Tabasco here or some Valentina. You can use whatever sauce you like. Of course, there's the ones that came in the packet. Not every bag will come with these little sauces. This is specific chicharrones that were bagged with these sauces. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some Tabasco on mine. And of course, I also like to squeeze some lime on top of that as well. And these can just be enjoyed as a little snack, just like popcorn while you're watching your favorite movie or your novela. Okay, back to our chicharrones in our pot. Now my chicharrones have been simmering covered in this pan for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and uncover them. And I want you to take a good look at them while they have been soaking up all that yummy flavor. Bring that up close to you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and leave this uncovered for just a couple of minutes. 2 to 5 minutes. It depends on how much sauce you have in here and how much you want them to absorb. But there we go. I'm just going to leave it uncovered and keep an eye on it and just keep stirring it. All right, my chicharrones have absorbed all the yummy flavors from the tomato, the onions, the garlic, and even the jalapeno. This is what it's looking like. It looks delicious. They'll be jiggly, pliable, and they'll be a little bit chewy, but they're going to be so delicious. Now, these can be served alone, or you can throw in some eggs in there and scramble it up along with them, or on the side with some over easy eggs. Put these on some flour tortillas or corn tortillas and make some tacos. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some eggs on the side and with some tortillas also. So let's go ahead and try these. All right, time to serve ourselves some of these delicious chicharrones. Slowly bring them over to our plate right here next to our eggs. I'm going to get another spoonful right here. And take a look at that. I've served mine up with some eggs, as I said, and I've also added some avocado. This is going to be my brunch. And I've also got my coffee ready and some more of those chicharrones just to snack on later. Let's try this. Super, super delicious. So yummy. The tomato is absolutely delicious in this. I hope you would try this recipe, and I hope you will give me a thumbs up. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. And I hope that you will leave a nice comment down below and let me know what you thought of this recipe, and if you will be trying it. And if you have, tell me how you prepare it so that everyone else can also share your idea. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and thank you to everyone who has. Please hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And that's it. Please share on your social medias, and as always, enjoy.